told them.
Honestly, we're like traffic wardens in this job and everything. You end up having to manage the passing places and stuff. Had to lift somebody out of a ditch once. No more doubt that upon her knees she's begging the God that she believes will help them on their way. They are leaving. They are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are gone, they are going.
I think Arizona would be good. New Mexico wouldn't be bad.
Australia. Canada. To America. My grandmother died just in 82 years. She's seen all this before.
Out of all the options that guy had, he chose the hardest one.
She's been so many times outside this door. She saw her father leave. She saw her brother leave. She saw her lovers leave. Her daughters, her children. Now she sees me. I am gone, I am gone, I am gone, I am gone. Where you going? To England. To Australia. To Canada. To America. To America. No, that is
That guy's in a small car. A small car, nice.